Yay, we're wearing yukata.
You look adorable, sweetie.
Ready for our adventure?
Yes. This is the best day ever.
Let's make it more fun together. Yeah, family time is the greatest.
Wow, so many yummy smells. It all looks so delicious.
Let's get some takoyaki.
Yes, please. Mom, look at the big octopus ball spinning.
They smell amazing, don't they?
How about we stop here and try some?
This dango is so soft and sweet.
The takoyaki is amazing, so hot and crispy.
I want some. Of course, sweetie. Ikaw.
Sharing is the best part.
Yeah. Here, try this one, sweetie.
This is the best night.
Mmm.
Let's share everything together.
Here I go. Yes, I got it.
You are amazing!
Did you see?
We saw! Did you see that? I won! You were incredible!
Such a big win for our little champion. Let's play again, please.
Anything for that smile.
Wow.
Wow, that one was huge. It's so beautiful.
Look at that one.